Alright y'all, welcome back to Master Blaster Fishing. I know it's been a minute. We got a new episode today. Today we're doing a 2022 fishing challenge with the boys. We got Martin.
So today we are continuing a tradition that started a friendship, and a friendship that we challenge each other to something disgusting. So today, in the past, we've done eyeballs, we've done balut, and today Edward has a little something for you guys, so go check it out.
We also got our boy Dylan. Dylan's back from Fresno.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've been at the beach, so
it's been a minute. Yeah.
See if I can do some damage.
Oh yeah, and we got Hook the Cook himself.
Yeah, guys.
He's ready.
This is the tradition, and we encourage you all, maybe for 2023, or you know what? If you guys haven't gone on your first fishing trip of 2022 yet, pick your friends, pick a dare. Last person to catch the first fish of the new year has to do that dare. Make it fun, make it safe, but get out there and make some memories with your friends.
We'll be fishing today. Today's challenge, I think we're decided to do a 12-inch fish minimum. Last person to catch has to eat the surprise at the end. And we'll show you what that is later on. But for now, we're gonna get in the water, start fishing. So the bad thing about today is the tide is so high, the river crossing down there, or the creek crossing, they have closed it down. So nobody can go past this pole, which is pole number 1. Nobody can go south of that. Everyone who's already there is stuck until the low tide. So we are limited to pole 1 all the way down to the Grand Avenue entrance. We're gonna try this spot here first and see what comes up. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 fishermen to the right, and then us 4 here on the left. So we're gonna get in the water and take these boys out. Edward's having major issues over there. He hasn't even thrown one cast out yet. It seems like either his line is all fouled up, he's got some wind knots or something going on. So there he goes. Walk of shame. He's probably gonna switch things up over there. I don't know.
Huh?
What's going on over here?
Giant wind knots?
Giant wind knots, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
How we're starting, bro.
That sucks. So there are, ho. Edward, another wind knot. He's in a world of hurt right now. He is in a world of hurt. Oh boy. Dang, that's not good. That's not good. Here's all the line that Edward had to take off. That's quite a bit. That's probably, shoot, 50 yards or so. Oh man, that's a bummer. All right, I'm calling it audible. I'm gonna walk down 50 yards away from the guys. There's about 9-10 people fishing in a 100-yard span, so I'm gonna go right in between these other folks here, see if we can get another one, or see if we can get one. We'll see. There we go, some flat water I like. Well, I guess these won't be the only nuts I'm eating today. He's all smiles. He's all smiles. Look at him. And it was right at 10:30 too.
Right at 10:30.
So
even if it was under 12 inches,
it's a legal
it
fish.
would have been legal.
Either way.
I think it's more. I think it's either way. This thing's like more than
13?
More, yeah, probably 13. Sealed the deal, ladies and gentlemen. You're about to see Master Blaster fishing defile his tongue right now.
I still got it.
So I
got it.
So I fished that spot where Ed caught that fish. Well, a little bit further to the north, maybe 50 yards more.
Yeah.
And I came back to change a battery, and Ed crept in and just stole that fish from me. That was my fish. That was my fish. I was working there, but he's the man. He's the better man today.
We figured out that so there's a stream because it's been raining a lot and it's just dumping, and then a lot of this is all flat, and it's got to be a nice little pocket there that was created from the stream, and it was still a bit of a high tide, so that fish was there waiting for you.
It was waiting. All right, let's see how we're gonna prepare this thing. And here comes Martin. He's doing the walk of shame too. I'm not sure if he knows quite yet what he's in for. We'll see.
Dude, I missed one.
Yeah?
I had it for like
Tough.
10
It's tough.
seconds.
You had it for 10 seconds? No way.
I think so.
This was a rodeo.
Damn, yep. That would have been good. How do you feel about the situation, Martin?
I don't know, I have like no words.
No words?
I never thought I would have to try.
Try what?
Bull balls.
Bull balls. All right. Well, you and me both, sir.
Hey.
Look how disgusting that is. Ugh. All right. That looks really bad. So they're definitely firm. And they're full. There's something in there. Oh, gross. There's like little hairs all over it. Oh. There's a little keeper right there. There's a lot right there. Hold on. I'm not. I want the least amount of pubes in my mouth. What the heck?
That membrane.
What the heck is that?
Appetizing.
There's a lot right there. Hold on. I'm not. I want the least amount of pubes in my mouth. What the heck?
That membrane.
What the heck is that?
Appetizing.
There's a lot of pubes on this thing, dude. I'm trying to draw this out as much as I can. Alright guys, here we go. Can I spit it? Like...
Oh, you hesitate, bro.
Alright.
Dude, that's just... It's just making it worse for me.
You're almost done. You're almost done, Mario.
I'm gonna puke.
You're almost done, bro.
I'm gonna puke.
You're almost done.
Just swallow that last piece.
You're almost
Take it all
done.
down.
When you described it,
Oh,
yeah.
It's a little bit hard.
There's a little one. It don't matter.
Don't matter?
Don't matter.
Mind over matter, right?
It's so gross. Oh my god.
It's tough. Yeah.
Big fight.
Oh, gross. Oh, that's gross. That looks disgusting. What's it taste like? Give me a play-by-play.
Not good.
It's not good.
It's not good. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't tell if the Suzy Q made it better or worse.
Yeah. It kind of made it worse because it's gritty.
This is the textures, huh?
Don't look at it.
The
Can I throw this
texture.
piece away? This is like the back end. Yeah?
Yeah, toss it. Not even the seagulls will eat that.
A little water.
Done.
Ready?
Ready.
One bite, everybody knows.
Dylan.
Savage.
Eyes are watering up. He's tearing up a little bit. He's thinking about where that cow has been.
Yeah, you can't crack Dylan.
Damn.
Dang. He won.
He's a
and
G.
did it.
He's a G.
It's squishy, meaty, and
Creamy? Creamy.
has a nutty flavor.
A little bit nutty. Wow.
It's pretty good.
I still feel it like
That was
didn't go all the
awesome.
way down.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
All right, y'all. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Came up with a big Al. Me and Martin. We got the Al boys here.
Yeah, that's the way to start out the 2022 New Year.
Yeah, that's one way to start it out. But if you guys want, you know, go out with your friends, do something cool, fun, and the losers have to pay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you later.